sir, and everyone. I hope all of you and your family is safe at this health crisis. With the grace of God, I and my family is also safe. So, my name is Muhammad Saif, and I am here to represent an article along with my partner Samantha Chaudhary. The article which was assigned to us is The Power of Talk, Who Gets Hurt and Why, which was written by Deborah Tennant in 1995. Moving towards the next slide. So here is the next slide, which is basically related to the content of the article. In introduction we will discuss the gist of the article. Then we will move toward the 5 problem and 1 solution, like what are the problems are there and what are the problems is faced by an individual while being in the process of communication. Then we will move towards the lack of self-confidence, like in this slide we will discuss what is the meaning of confidence and how it affects an individual behavior and the way of communication directly or indirectly. Then we will move towards the different linguistic style, and like what are the different linguistic style are there. Then we will move towards the social dynamic of the languages. The rest of the part will be covered by my partner Samantha Chaudhary. The rest of the part are as follows: different ritual from childhood, getting credit I or we, conversational rituals, negotiation authorities, that one solution. And that one solution could be the solution of all that 5 problems. Now we are moving towards the next slide. So here is the next slide. In introduction, here Deborah Tennant posted a story of a performance assessment in the large organization, and group were formed, and so many individuals were there in the group who were reviewed and evaluated by every senior manager for the promotion. But something strange occurred. No woman is able to get the promotion or capture the opportunity of promotion. Why? What are the reasons behind it, or what are the key factors responsible for that? Even the head of the organization doubting on his listening. He said that all the talented women is not able to get the promotion. What could be the reason? So the reason could be the self-confidence, because in the organization every woman is facing the problem of self-confidence. So confidence plays a very vital role in your communication and in your presentation. Even if you have a high confidence, then you can prove your lie into the truth. Okay, this is the power of confidence. Next slide. The 5 problems and 1 solution. The 5 problems are as follows: lack of confidence, different linguistic styles, social dynamic of languages, different ritual, and getting credit. Before discussing the problems, first we have to understand the meaning of communication. So I am going to read a definition of communication. Communication is not as simple as saying what you mean, but how you say that you mean is crucial and differs from one person to the next. Communication is not that what you say, but how you communicate your ideas to the others. So in this definition, basically we see the communication is not what you are saying, but the communication is that how you are presenting your ideas. Okay, what you want to say should be forwarded to the listeners. If you are not able to do so, that the listener is not getting what are you saying, so this is not the communication. So the effective communication is that your idea should be forwarded to the listener effectively. Okay, so we will go through the 5 problems one by one. Okay, here we will discuss the lack of self-confidence, like what are the factors which are causing the lack of self-confidence, and what are the factors what makes women less confident than men. So here is the first reason: asking too many questions. We see women always tend to ask so many questions. It is not the bad thing to ask the question in a proper way. It is a good thing. Always keep in mind that you should adopt a proper way of asking the question, like when, how, what, and why a question should be asked before, because asking the question shows your level of confidence and competency. The second problem is that more apologies. Women always oftenly say sorry or I am sorry because they see it as expressing concern. But on the other hand, if you see the men always avoid to say sorry because they see as saying sorry is putting the speaker into the down position. So the men always focus on their status implication of exchange. The third problem is that the style of interaction. Women always have a dual interaction form. Like if if a woman is interacting with the male member, their style of interaction will be different, and if she is interacting with the female member, their level of interaction will be different. So having different level style of interaction also cause a lack of self confidence. So uh, our experiment was being done by Hetherington and her colleagues. So I am going to read this experiment. They asked 100 of incoming college students to predict what grade they would get in their first year. So the student divided into the two groups. A group is asked that to predict their future grade privately, as written on the piece of paper, and put that paper into the envelope. Okay, and the other group is asked to predict your future grade in the presence of researcher or publicly. So what we see, the woman who is predicting their future privately, they expected higher grades in the future, but the women who are predicting their future grade, or the female member who are predicting their future grade in publicly or in the presence of researcher, they expected a lower grade than men. The result shows that this is because of the level of confidence. Because if we see ourselves in a privately, we see we have a high level of confidence, but in publicly we don't have. It is also affects it is also affect the level of confidence in actual level. So in this slide are different linguistic style. What is linguistic style? A linguistic style is a set of culturally learned signal by which we not only communicate what we mean but also interpret others' meaning and evaluate one another as people. So everything that is said must be said in a very certain way, tone of voice. Like suppose we are going to present a presentation, but we don't have a proper way of tone of voice, no one will interested. So everyone should include the interactive creativity and dramatic things to make their presentation interesting. Then the rate of speed. So the rate of the speed of the communication should be very normal. Like one comes and start speaking is very fastly, so no one will get her or his idea what he or she is trying to communicate to the listeners. So the rate of the speech should be very normal. Degree of loudness. So speaking louder is not as affected as have a normal loudness. Okay, presenting your idea or the presentation, your voice should your loudness should be very normal. It also refers to a person speaking patterns. So linguistic styles also refers to a person speaking patterns. How a person adopt a pattern to communicate with the others, like direct and indirect. Men and women also have different speaking patterns, or The individuals also have different speaking pattern irrespective of their regions, like direct or indirectness. One has a pattern of direct involving or direct speaking or direct communicating to the others, but one on the contrary, other has indirect way of communication or indirect pattern of speaking, okay, or involving in a communication in a very indirect way with the others. And pacing and pausing, it is a very important things. Like pacing, what should be your pace while communications? We see different regions person have different pace and pausing patterns. If we see uh, other regions, uh, they speak in a very fast way, like having a high pacing speed and less pausing style. And if we see other region people, they have a very low pacing speed and pausing. While communicating the others, you should have a, a little pause to convert to deliver your idea in a very effective way. Word choice, if you have a great word choice, you are a great speaker. So choosing the word or choosing the exact word uh, influence the audience very much, because if you don't have a power of choosing the right word, you cannot be a good speaker or the orator or an influencer. So uh, choosing the right word of your presentation of your idea is a very important thing. Here are the social dynamic of the languages. Men and women both have different dynamics of the languages. Like in the article we read, women always tend to build close relationship with their partners and always criticize the girls who is superior to them, because of because they learn it from their past experiences, past cultures. But on the contrary, if we see men always learn the language to negotiate their status. So here men and women, we can see, have a different dynamics. Women always focus to build a close relationship, but not men, because men always tend to negotiate their status. They always accept challenges because because the men learn it from their past culture and experiences. uh, if we see the another dynamic, women always tend to play with a small group and spend a lot of time in talking. It is because of their cultural experiences. But if we see men always display their ability, knowledge, and challenges other and accept challenge the other. The rest of the part will be covered by my partner Samantha Chaudhary. uh, okay, thank you very much.
Hello everyone, my name is Samantha and Saif is my partner, and I am here to present rest of the part of my presentation. So the fourth problem is different rituals from childhood. Women tend to say more sorry than men, and people who utter frequent rituals apologies may end up appearing weaker, less confident, and literally more blameworthy than people who don't. Men are likely to minimize their doubts because they are less confused than women. And men are more attuned than women to the potential fees losing. And these habits result from the socialization of boys and girls by their peers in the childhood groups. So the fifth problem is getting credit, I or we. Even such a small thing as choice of pronouns can decide on who gets the credit. Men tend to use I when talking about what they have done, whereas women usually say we, even though they have done it by themselves. So credit is automatically goes to the person who use I. And there are again some conversational rituals, because we are more habitual about saying like things, how are you, I am sorry, or hi, what's up. But there are some different alternatives for these things we can use. These are some more formal words we can use in our office or in like corporate meetings. So instead of how are you, you can ask how have you been, how are you holding up. Or instead of I am sorry, we can use I sincerely apologize for it, or I owe you an apology. Hi, what's up? We can start a conversation by saying greetings and salutations, how have you been, great to see you, and many more. There are our negotiating authorities who lead us, who monitor us, and these are called leaders, managers, and heads of the organization. So, people in powerful positions are likely to reward linguistic style similar to their own. Like, I I would like the person who have the same linguistic style like mine. And how we manage ups and down. Managing ups and down, women shows more concern about the other person's feelings when the other person's when they were playing the role of superior. If I am the head of any organization, I will be more concerned about my colleagues and my juniors. I will be more concerned boss than the male boss. And those who are in some way superior are expected to downplay rather than flaunt their superiority. I hope you understand this. And the solution of all this problem is awareness. This is the conclusion of our presentation, because if we are aware, we'll be less confused. We have a lot of content, a lot of information. We will ask less questions that will make us more confident. So become aware. When you are aware, you will not have to ask too many questions, and make sure everyone is heard. And again, be more flexible. There are some organizations we have to face some kind of uncomfortable feeling, so we have to be flexible. We have to adapt the circumstances and adapt the environment according to our situation. And thanks.